Hello, I'd like to talk about the role of institutions in agro-industry for Asian countries. My reference source was published by Asian Productivity Organizations in 2020. The authors of this report are Ralph Christie and Lin Fu. Should we look at the economic development literature, we see Douglas North's studies on institutions' role in economic development. He gave a great emphasis for institutions because he thinks so. Institutions create order and reduce uncertainty in exchange. The authors of this report indicated that development of agro-enterprises play a vital role in economic development by leading to very positive impacts on employment in both rural and urban areas, offering market access to smallholder farmers, creating business linkages with small and medium enterprises, and enhancing food security by reducing post-harvest losses, which are very common in many developing countries. In agricultural sector, land and property rights are the institutions that incentivize farmers and producers to invest and make improvements to the land by ensuring that they can retain and return any returns on investment. Two systems are important to reduce risk in agriculture. These are a legal system and a banking system. A legal system is an institution that enables transactions by lowering counterparty risks. Another one is banking system, which is an institution that through rural banking services and loan programs for SMEs can help producers to start and stay in a sustainable way in their businesses. When we see how institutions strengthen SMEs linkages and smallholder access to national, regional and global supply chains, there are several points that need to be addressed here. Firstly, developing business development services that are targeted at farmers and agro-enterprises. The possible outcomes are management training workshops, case studies to be specified in the context of agro-industries. Regarding outcomes, increased sales revenue, profitability can be measured. Promoting business incubators in agri-industry are also very important for the agricultural development. The countries need to design to accelerate the successful development of startups and early-stage agro-enterprises. Most important outcome is to direction in business sustainability. Establishing agro-industry research and technology parks in many countries are also very significant in order to increase production efficiency and improving technology transfer in agro-industry. By doing that, agro-industries might be located closer to farmers and raw materials in rural areas. Promoting agro-industry cluster and networks might strengthen vertical linkages for specific commodities. The most important outcome is to improve efficiency in agro-industry supply chains from farmers to consumers. Building warehouse receipt system might lead to higher income for farmers and increase in seasonality of agricultural prices. Promoting mechanisms integrating farmers into the agri-value chain might result in increasing use of contract farming and strengthening linkages between farmers and agro-industry firms. By doing that, smallholders will be involved in formal market in an increased way. Commodity exchanges for agricultural commodities play also a key role in agricultural development. They provide an efficient trade of agricultural commodities and help to create the necessary linkages among local, regional, and international markets. Creating certification agencies for agricultural products provide traceability of products and certification of products, and it results in increased premiums for high quality products, and consumers' confidence for agricultural products will increase in this case. When we come to how innovative institutions in agri-industry play a role in economic development, by giving examples from Asian countries, there are three important trends which are addressed by the others, and it is expected that three mega trends will shape agro-industries in Asian countries in the near future. These are urbanization, climate change, and the last one, technological innovation. Regarding urbanization, increased urbanization brings changes in consumption patterns with increasing income levels in many Asian countries. The consumption patterns for food change year by year. Urban consumers typically consume less cereals and starch food commodities, which are still common staples in rural areas, and gravitate toward more high-value foods. For example, consumption of fruit and vegetables, red meat, and processed food increase in many Asian countries. A growing number of urban consumers intend to consume more organic products. Small farm size are shrinking in many countries, and this means that average farm size tend to increase in the near future. Changes in temperature and precipitation threaten agricultural productivity. With respect to climate change, the number of malnourished children is projected to increase dramatically due to the climate change. Extreme weather conditions will most likely have a devastating impact on farmers' livelihoods and regional food security. In terms of technological innovation, by leveraging mobile technology, farmers can overcome the barrier of imperfect information that they encounter. The growing food tech startup scale in China is focused on food delivery, supply chain, logistics, and alternative proteins nowadays. A new variety of high yields in many plants products are developed in many Asian countries. Regarding agtech categories, this table shows agri-tech categories with examples. To address the negative impact of climate change on agriculture, technological innovation is more important than ever. Here, as you see, the agtech categories, and in here we see all the promising technologies with their examples.